In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Airtable with FreshBooks. We'll use Make, a powerful automation platform, to connect your Airtable data to FreshBooks so information flows automatically between the two without manual copying. First, open the Make website and log into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace where you want this automation to live. Having the right permissions and access to your Airtable base and your FreshBooks account will make the rest of the setup smooth. Next, click Create Scenario. A scenario in Make is your automation workflow. It opens a clean canvas where you'll add the apps and define how data moves between them. You'll see a large plus icon at the center of the canvas. Click that to add your first module. Choose Airtable. This will be the starting point of your workflow. You'll be prompted to select the operation you want. Pick the option that matches your goal, such as watching for new or updated records, searching for records, or retrieving specific data. If this is your first time connecting Airtable to Make, you may be asked to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts and choose the base, table, and view you want to work with. Selecting a specific view can help you focus on exactly the records that should pass into FreshBooks. Take a moment to review the fields you'll need later, like client names, emails, invoice items, or amounts, so you know what to map forward. When your Airtable module is configured, click Save. Saving locks in your choices and is a good point to double-check the connection name and the selected base and table. Avoid exposing any credentials on screen if you're recording or sharing your setup. Now, click the plus icon again and choose FreshBooks. This will be the second module that acts on the data coming from Airtable. Select the event you want to run in FreshBooks. Common examples include creating a client, generating an invoice, or adding an expense. If prompted, connect your FreshBooks account and choose the appropriate business profile. Then map the Airtable fields to the FreshBooks fields. For example, map a client name or email from Airtable to the client fields in FreshBooks, and map line items, descriptions, quantities, and amounts to the invoice fields as needed. Clear, consistent field names in Airtable will make this mapping much easier. That's it. You logged into Make, created a scenario, added Airtable as your starting module, and saved it. Then added FreshBooks and chose the event to run. With these pieces in place, your integration is ready to move data from Airtable into FreshBooks exactly the way you defined.